Yay, we made, oops. Hey guys. Guys made it. We're just here on,
Survivors.
like on time, mate. On time.
Survivors.
Yes, well done.
Hey.
You champions.
Uh-huh.
You guys are champions, mate.
Whee!
Whee, Baba. Baba's a champion. What are you, honey? You're a champion? We made it. Yeah. Okay, everyone, let's turn around because we made it. You got anything to say?
Yeah.
Well, how was
I
it?
made it all with baby on, up and down.
Yeah. What was the best part? Coming down, going up?
Going up.
Going up, yeah. It seemed like it took ages coming down. Oh, okay, guys. We're on time for the ferry. And that is us. We have made it down, and the ferry is in 10 minutes. I'm not kidding. Ferry's going to get here in 10 minutes, and we're just, that hike just took us like forever coming down, but going up, at least we had little rests, you know, like, yeah. So, would you do it? Get out and enjoy Auckland, because this is a beautiful spot here. Actually, we met some people on the way and they said you could actually, they hired a batch, stayed for the night, walked over to Rangitoto Island. Yeah, so there's so much to do here. We just thought it's just the track going up and coming down again, but you can actually stay here. Wonderful. We'll see you again on my next video. This is Lily. Tune in again. This is a lot to see, a lot more about this journey that we've been on. And Rangitoto Island is a must. I tell you, it was 40 years ago, or over 40 years ago, because my son's, like, he's 40 now, but, you know, it's over 40 years ago that we did this hike, and it looked nothing like this, because there's more green here, more trees, more shrubs. Okay, guys, we'll catch you again on my next video. It's just right in time to catch the ferry back to Auckland. Bye for now.